Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us learn virtualization. So it is very simple, right? I hope you all like tales. So let us move on this virtualization concept with a tale. Let us say I have two friends, that is Sai and Vamsi. Sai and Vamsi. Now Sai want to develop an application. So Sai want to develop an application. Sai asked Vamsi. Vamsi is a develop. Vamsi is a architect. Sai is a developer. Sai has an application and he want to host his application and provide some services via website. Now Sai given his application to Vamsi and asked Vamsi that, hey Vamsi, can you please provide me a server and maintain it and provide my application? Then Vamsi said, okay. Now, Umsi go to hardware shop and bought a server and posted Sai's application and just installed Sai's application and just created a web server and hosted. Now, Umsi maintained this server. Umsi maintained this server in his own house. So is it easy for him, right? So to maintain only a single server in his house, it is very easy for him. So server 1 is maintaining by the OMC. Now Sai provided the application to clients. Sai provided the application to clients. So initially less than 10 users are using the application. Now what happened? The client said, wow Sai, your application was working nice, just looking like a wow and working awesome. Now what happens? These clients suggest to more clients. Hey, hey, my dear friend, this application is very useful. I'm using it. You can also use it. Now, at the time, what happens? Sai got more clients, more than 20, more than 20, more than 50. In that way, the clients are increased a lot. So let me have a question. Whether the single server will respond to all the 50 clients whenever at a time, let's say 50 clients are accessing this application. Now the server can able to respond to these clients, these many clients. No, right? Yeah. So since this is not responding fastly to these clients, they're putting face like, array Sai, what is this? It is not working. So can you modify this? This is not working fastly. Can you help us? Then Sai immediately goes for Umsi and asks, hey Umsi, that server is working slowly. What is the solution for it? Then Umsi said simply, we need to install two more servers. Then Sai said, okay, you can buy two more servers. Now again, Umsi bought two more servers and just installed two more servers his application. Now it is working properly. Okay, nice. So then now clients become happy. Now what happens? Now when Sai want to increase his application demand, that means Sai want to increase his profit. To increase his business, Sai Sai provided some offers during festival seasons. During those festival seasons, what happens? Clients are coming more than usual. Clients are coming more than usual. Then what happens at that moment of time? At that moment of time, due to a lot of users, due to a lot of users, let's say 100. let's say less than 100. What happens for this application only less than 100? So at that time, due to more users, my systems, whatever the servers OMSI hosted, they got crashes, they got crashes and breakdowns. They got crashes and damages. They did not respond correctly. So which leads to what? Downtime and unavailability, which leads to what? Downtime as well as unavailability of his application. So which even leads to loss of Sai. Now Sai asked, I want to avoid these all problems, Mr. Umsi. So can you provide any solution? Yeah. Then Umsi immediately said that the only solution for it is the only solution for it is you need to improve your servers. Then Sai provided some money to Umsi. Then Umsi again installed too many servers. Umsi again installed some many servers like this. Installed some many servers. Now again he installed three more servers and again he installed three more servers. Now the application is working properly and it is providing the good response to this application. Now Sai got now Sai got another project. Now Sai got what? Another project. Up to now, this is all a single project only. This is all a single application only, right? Yeah, this is all a single application only. This is all application one. Maintenance of application one. Now, what happens? Sai got a best idea, another idea, and he developed another project for increasing his business and providing the client's need. So now what happens? Now again, Sai asked Umsi, can you host the second application? Since this is very useful to clients, then Umsi said, okay, I'll host again the second application. Now what happens? Umsi again need to create the same, the same infrastructure. That means the same thing, whatever been created previously, that he need to create again. So he need to create again. Now let us say he's created again the same thing for whom. Now he is again created the same these many servers and maintaining these many servers for Sai, for his application, for Sai's application. What, which application it is? Application. He put one at a cupboard. So now his house is full. By increasing too many servers, his house is full. So at that time, what he need to do? He need to he need to have one more house, right? He need to have one more house to put his servers, right? To maintain his servers, he need to have one more house. Yeah. And he need to maintain certain AC conditions, right? To maintain these servers, he need to maintain certain AC conditions, right? Yeah. So only a single person who is maintaining these all, and for application one is very hard, right? Yeah, obviously very hard. So now here the technical term comes. You just note this term, that is, who is maintaining these all servers? Who is maintaining these all servers? Omsi, right? Where he is maintaining these all servers. Maintaining, he is maintaining these all servers by his own buildings. So what do we say, sir? What do we say? Maintaining all these servers at a single building. We are maintaining multiple servers in a single building, right? Maintaining multiple multiple servers in a single maintaining multiple servers in a single building. We say it as we say it as remember this, it is very important one. We say it as data center. What it is? Data center. So what is data center, sir? A data center is nothing but a building. What it has? What is this building has? That building has multiple servers in it. That building has multiple servers which are maintained in it. So that is nothing but data center. So now who is maintaining these? Who is maintaining this data center? OMSI, right? If you are maintaining your data center, if you are maintaining your data center, then we say that data center is on premise. If you are maintaining your own data center, then we say, what do we say that data center? We say that data center as on-premise data center. What is that? On on-premise data center. So this is the thing. So now you found two new words. What are those? Data center and on-premise data center. What is data center, sir? Maintaining multiple servers in a single building, we say it as data center. Now, what is on-premise data center, sir? If you are maintaining, if you are maintaining the data center, your own data center, then you say it is on-premise data center. Okay, now you learned two new things. So let us put it as important point. So let us put it as important point. Mm, okay. So let us put this important point here. Now, now, still, OMS is facing a problem. What is that? That problem is nothing but he is maintaining two applications. Now, let us say Sai asked, Sai asked OMC that, so I need, I need to host another website. I need to host another website. Since clients are demanding me, I need to provide them another application. Sai can Sai asked again Omsi that, Omsi, can you provide me? Can you host me this application as well? Then Omsi got Omsi got into anger that, hey Sai, I am now maintaining two application centers, two data centers I am maintaining. Now I am maintaining two data centers. You are asking me again another application? Sai said, hey yeah, please yeah, you can do it. Then Omsi said, okay, I'll try for do it. Now again, Omsi created again one more. Omsi created again one more data center for Sai, and he's maintaining this set, this data center as well for application what? For application 3. So for application 3, he is again maintaining his again data center. Application 3 is maintaining by using this another data center. So now what happens? Now Umsi has a problem that he is one right. He is going to application 1 data center and application 2 data center and application 3 data center. Wherever the trouble comes, then he is going and rectifying these issues. Now he's facing a lot of problem with maintaining these data centers. Now he's just thinking about how to maintain these many data centers. What is a simple solution to reduce this problem? So now he's just thinking, and just browsing and searching. Now he found a word. He found a word that is virtualization. He found a word. What is the word, sir? Virtualization. So he found the word virtualization. What is this virtualization? How OMSI reduced his problem? How OMSI reduced his maintenance issue of these many server rooms? So what is this virtualization? This virtualization helps OMSI. This virtualization seems to a god to OMSI. Looks like a god who gifted this virtualization technique to reduce maintaining these many servers and to reduce maintaining these many data centers. So now OMSI feels like, wow, what is this virtualization? How this virtualization helps OMSI to resolve his issue? So to understand the concept and to know the technique, let us see you back in the next video. In this video, what we learned, sir? In this video, OMSI followed olden days architecture is nothing but in this way. What is the way he is maintaining his applications is called architecture. In this in this video, you learned at starting stage of data centers and applications hosting how these tech top companies are maintaining the basic architecture you learned before coming of virtualization. After coming of virtualization, umsi umsi got a idea that he need to he need to provide p2v migration. He, he need to provide some p2v migration to reduce his lot of burden of maintaining these many servers. So this is the thing, whatever the umchi, after following this technique of normal top companies, whatever the thing that top companies are upgrading is p2v migration at olden days. Now in the next video we even learn what is this p2v migration, to how top tech companies reduced their maintenance cost and used their resources effectively and efficiently. So I hope you understood this video and you understood what is the burden UMSI is facing. If you assume UMSI as a top tech company, then you can understood how they are maintaining their applications at olden days, at initial moments how companies are facing the lot of issues. So I hope you understood this video. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye. So thanks for watching again. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest update.